Hi everybody, I'm Giselle. Everybody knows me as Ms. G. So today I will be showing you guys how to create funnel cake fries, or even a funnel cake if you would like. So today I have my sister Viviana. She's about 10 years old, so she will be helping me today. So materials, first you will need is some measuring cups, a whisk, a medium-sized Ziploc bag, some sugar, some baking soda, some butter, a bowl, all-purpose flour, some salt, a big jar of oil, some milk, some vanilla extract, and you will need a skillet, a medium-sized skillet. 2 cups of milk. You will need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of sugar. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It's really good until it starts looking a little creamy, like a cream color. Mix, mix, mix. You will crack 1 egg into the mix. And you get your mixer and you mix, mix, mix. Until it looks yellow, like that. Here you see my sister Viviana. She's about 10 years old and she's helping me. And she's filling up 1/2 of butter. Fill up the little cup. What your next step will be is put the butter into the microwave for 10 seconds until it's a melted consistency. She will take it out. It shouldn't be hot, it should be perfect. And you will put that mix into the bowl all the way. And then you will get your spatula and mix, mix, mix. You'll need all-purpose flour and you'll need 2 cups. You'll mix, mix, mix all the way until it looks like pancake mix. You'll put the mix in the Ziploc bag, a small slit on the edge of the Ziploc. Make sure you get an adult to help you, of course. Next thing you'll need is some oil, and you'll put a lot of it oil in the skillet, like that. Make sure an adult helps you and helps you put the oil because it should be heated up and ready to go. What you'll do is you'll grab the mix. Make sure you have an adult 18 years and older to help you, of course, because it is very delicate. So you put the mix in and it should look like that. Show them. It doesn't have to be perfect. It has to be squiggly so it can come out as, you can do it as small or big, doesn't matter. And it should look like something like this. If I added some powdered sugar if you wanted some, and some fruit to end it up. And it's time to eat.